The Seng Khasi Khmer had celebrated its 121st Foundation Day on 23rd November 2020 at the Waking Grounds, Shillong. The celebration started with a performance of rituals at the Seng Khasi Hall, Maukhar, Shillong, where a thin crowd including elders and members of the Seng were present. In the afternoon, the procession proceeded from Maukhar and culminated at the Waking Ground, Jayau, Shillong.
Ani lahe layar ke Seng Khasi, lahe layar moka Seng rat kin da. Ani ngaong ko mai bilai kapa bilai. Pisno pensya kendong yaka kentin yaka jubak bangu badem kindan baki teman kisan kaseng kasi sengkni ani mongi daknong nida bisar mongi dasan daken nida kapan kabot kabut bapin nang da bapin nang ka moya katham moya kano.
The celebration this year witnessed a thin gathering of believers of the faith besides elders and members of the Seng Khasi Khmer. The chief guest on the occasion was Pa-Im Ainam Maniks Im.
Bahag lai kri jong nai wien khap raspa hindai la Seng ya Seng Khasi ya ki kan riu mat Kiriu Rangba, Kiriu Shemkhang, Bat Kiriu Kau, Jom Gajat Kiriu, Hasi Ban Yalunang, Hakaweng Gajaka, Ni Nongba, Shillong, Hapo, Shillong, Maukhar. Shillong Maukhar, Sabodan Lu, Haupur Sa, Jom Kahima Malien, Bat Kenyeng Dorba, Jom Kahima Malien Lu, Kadon, Hapur. Put Sam Jom Kashnom Maukhar Badai Lengba Kajing Star Bat Kajing Shamham Jom Kini I Khan Riu Mat I Riu Rangba Layo Banseng Yak Seng Khasi Kumba Kalong Ngenta Ngene Kia kumu siam nyatap dari jumpermen banyo dan sensya ya kahima melia balah karta mengadang kena abelong muka hima kabaya haka Khasi rock away.
The welcome address was delivered by the president of the Seng Khasi Khmer, Rangba Don Kupar Dakhar, while the first Seng Kutsnem was celebrated in 1901 and continues to this day. During the function, Medical Superintendent and founder of Supercare Hospital Shillong, Dr. R.S. Thangkeu, and founder of Woodland Hospital Shillong, Dr. Welok Kharshiyeng, were recognized by the Seng Khasi Khmer for their contribution towards society as far as healthcare is concerned. Others who spoke on the occasion were the Assistant Secretary of the Seng Khasi Khmer, Rangba Paya Bisenrem, and also Chief Guest Pa-Im Ainam Maniks Im, besides the General Secretary of the Seng, Rangba P.D. Nongrum, who delivered the vote of thanks.